Okay, this real spiel right here is just about current events, and it's just my POV. For y'all that don't know, that means point of view. That's all it is, my point of view. Okay, I hear people always talk about the universe, karma, things of that nature. Then I've heard once upon a time that the sins of a father can be passed on to a child. Well, we hear all kinds of different knowledges. That's what I say. Different, you know, from one another. Now let's just say some of these things are real. These universal energies, cosmic energies, or whatever. Then I say current events. Well, those people killed that gorilla for doing what a gorilla does. See, the gorilla is in captivity anyway, so it shouldn't even been there. So you don't kill a gorilla for being a gorilla. Because if it was in the jungle where it's from, would have never had a chance to do that. Would have never happened. Okay, then I hear that an alligator ate a child. What y'all want to attribute that to? Because see, it's a funny thing that all people always say. Something good happen is God. Something bad happen is the devil. That right there kind of funny to me because I say, well, what the hell are we responsible for then? Okay, so was it the devil when those people killed that gorilla? Or was it only the devil when the alligator ate the baby? Well, what happened? Or was that the universe saying, I got to have me something in return? You know, ain't gonna be no killing without killing. Was that what was happening? Okay, or did God let that happen? See, what's good for the goose got to be good for the gander, man. Can't just have it one way. I don't speak for God in no way. But I've had my own little thing go on. And I say, you know what? I don't know. Because I got a little experience in the matter. You know, so I don't know. I don't know. But I'm just saying. Then they tell all these people who read these scriptures, holy scriptures, be it the Holy Bible or the Holy Quran. So was that somebody just being crazy? The Orlando thing? Or did God let that happen? Which one was it? Was it God? Was it the devil? Or was it just that crazy dude that just wanted to do what he was doing? Which one was it? Can't have it both ways. Which one was it? You know what? I think I said enough. Just remember, I don't speak for God. I'll never try to do that. It's just some things that make you go, real spill.